Hello students, welcome back to Prudence Coaching. Today we are going to discuss about the most important question answers from the chapter Natural Vegetation, which are going to be very helpful for your geography paper 2020. So let's discuss this. Question number 1. Which forest regions of India are also known as rainforest? Answer: the tropical evergreen forest. Next question. Write the names of the typical trees of the evergreen forest. Answer: mahogany, ebony, rosewood, cinchona, coconut and bamboo. Next question. What are littoral forest or tidal forest? Name the principal trees that grow in this forest. Answer: littoral forests or tidal forests are found in delta region along the Mersey coast. They are also called mangrove forests. The principal trees are Casuarina, Sundari and mangrove. Next question. Give two characteristics of tidal forests. Number 1. Tidal forests are found to thrive in saline conditions. Number 2. They possess breathing roots or pneumatophores. Next question. What are Sundarbans? Answer: the forests found on the Ganga-Brahmaputra delta covering the coasts of West Bengal and Bangladesh are called Sundarbans because of the abundance of Sundari trees. Next question. Describe the type of vegetation found in the Deccan Plateau. Answer: deciduous trees are the type of vegetation that can be found in Deccan Plateau. Next question. Describe the type of vegetation found in Thor Desert. Answer: cactus, date palms, acacia, fir and kicker are the type of vegetation that are found in Thor Desert. Next question. Mountain vegetation consists not of a single type but of several types. Give reasons. Answer: on the slopes of the mountains we find changing vegetation belts according to the altitude up to the snow line. On the lower slopes of the eastern Himalayas we find broad-leaved evergreen trees such as laurel, oak and magnolia. Above this, we find deciduous trees and still higher we have the coniferous trees such as spruce, pine, cheat pine. On the western Himalayas, there are broad-leaved evergreen trees, but not so as those on the eastern Himalayas. Chennar and silver are the two most important trees of the Srinagar Valley slopes. Still higher, above 6,000 meters, there is only snow. Next question. With reference to the natural vegetation of India, classify the following trees under the heading kind of forest with which they are associated. The trees are cheat pine, teak, casuarina, ebony, rosewood, khajuri, eucalyptus and bamboo. Students, I would like to suggest you that pause the video screen and just do it yourself. And after doing this, match it up with the answers. Number 1. Ebony and rosewood belong to the tropical evergreen vegetation. Teak and eucalyptus belong to the monsoon or deciduous tree vegetations. Next, there is khajuri and babul belonging to the desert vegetation. Casuarina belongs to littoral or tidal vegetation. And in the mountain region, we can find the cheat pine trees. Next, why are evergreen forests composed of thick vegetation and dense foliage? Student, this is another important question. Answer: due to heavy rain, high temperatures and humidity, the soil retains moisture even after the rainy season. Places near the equator get rain practically every day. There is thick undergrowth of leaves and trees. The trees grow tall with thick foliage. Next question. What is monsoon forest? What are its chief characteristics of monsoon forest? Answer: monsoon forest is the name given to the deciduous forest region. These regions have moderate rain from 100 to 200 centimeters. The characteristics of these trees is that they shed their leaves in the dry season to protect against excessive evaporation. Next question. How do the trees of the desert adapt themselves to the arid conditions? Answer: they have long tapering roots which go deep to tap water. The trees are stunned as there is not enough rain for tree growth. The thorny branches reduce loss of water by transpiration. The fleshy leaves prevent loss of water by evaporation. The wax on the leaves closes pores. Next question. Give the names of 4 important products of forest. Answer: wood pulp, paper, medicines, paints and varnishes are the major important products of forest. Why are forests grown in and around iron and steel cities? Answer. Forests moderate the climate by absorbing much of the sun's insolation and by supplying water vapor, which further condenses to impart rain. This contributes towards cooling the hot environment of iron and steel cities. Next question. Explain the terms reforestation and forest conservation. Answer. Reforestation means growing trees in place of those which have been cut down. The policy of the government is that 2 trees should be planted for every single tree cut down. Next, forest conservation. Prevention of forest is known as forest conservation. This is why the government has designated certain forests such as reserved forest. Next question. Mention 3 methods for the conservation and development of forests in India. The 3 methods for the conservation and development of forests are: number 1, grow more trees or Banatsava. Next, forest regions are being declared reserved sanctuaries to preserve the ecosystem and protect animals. Number 3, afforestation and reforestation. Afforestation is the planting of more trees and reforestation is to plant trees in place of those which are cut down. The policy of the government is to plant 2 trees in place of every 1 tree that is cut. Next question. Forests are called handmaids of agriculture. Answer. Forests are useful in agriculture in various ways, both directly and indirectly. Directly, they supply wood for making farm implements. Indirectly, they help in keeping the climate humid, creating favorable conditions for rain. They are helpful in checking foods and preventing soil erosion. Next question. Write 2 reasons why monsoon deciduous forests are commercially more valuable than other type of trees. Students, this is very much important for your exam. Answer. Number 1 cause is the trees in the monsoon deciduous forests provide useful wood and are economically very important. The second cause is that trees like teak and sal are termite resistant woods. Next question. Name 1 region for each of the following. Answer. Tropical evergreen forest. In the tropical evergreen forests are found in Western Ghats. Deciduous monsoon forests are found in eastern slopes of the Western Ghats, Maharashtra and Karnataka. The desert vegetation are found in Rajasthan. Next question. Why do the coniferous trees are conical in shape? Answer. The coniferous trees are conical in shape because they adapt to withstand large and heavy snowfalls and shed snow easily without breaking limbs, or some of them also have very thick bark to protect them from fire. Next question. Question number 20. Briefly explain 2 reasons for forests being an important natural resource. Answer. Forests are important natural resource because number 1, they provide timber, medicinal plants, etc. Number 2, they help in purifying air and giving rain. So students, that's all about this chapter. I hope your preparation is very well and you are preparing very well to stay connected with this channel, and don't forget to subscribe and like our videos. And students, if you find this video is helpful for you, so please share this with your friends so that everyone can have the benefit. Have a nice day students. Thanks for watching.